guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Blackfin Tuna in Abyss Roblox. So the Blackfin Tuna is one of the catch that you need to finish to complete the Marcus Quest 3. And in here you can just use the radar first to detect the Blackfin Tuna. Okay, let's see in here if there's any near me. So I've already catch 2, and let's see if I can catch more. So if you don't see it here, you can always explore again and use the radar again in here. Okay, there's no in here, but you can always explore more. But here I've already caught it twice. Okay, this one with Cupid mutations right here, and also what is it, the other one in here. So just use your radar and also your bass gear to catch it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the things. Bye.